Gujo Hachiman is one of the most beautiful towns in the world. Located in Gifu Prefecture, it is renowned for its clean and charming waterways. Founded in the 16th century following the construction of Hajime Castle, Gujo's residents have maintained the same water system since the 17th century. Despite using water for washing rice, vegetables, and clothes, inhabitants strictly adhere to prescribed practices to keep the water clean and pure. They deeply value the importance of water, committing to its cleanliness to this day. As a result, the drinking water flowing through Gujo is a source of pride for its residents. Due to its purity and freshness, people are accustomed to even washing rice and vegetables directly with this water. The water flows from three rivers: Yoshida, Nagata, and Kadara. Canal water in the town is also exceptionally clean and refreshing. Home to visually pleasing koi fish, Gujo Hachiman boasts a complex canal system, providing fire protection and household water needs. Constructed in 1660, after a devastating fire in 1652, residents today still use unique small canal systems to wash clothes and dishes, following strict rules on what, where, and how to wash. These regulations, upheld for centuries, ensure all households have access to clean water. Famous throughout Japan and the world, Gujo Hachiman is renowned for its pristine rivers and springs, as well as traditional, ecological practices maintaining clean water flow through the town for centuries. Visitors can enjoy pure spring water from every tap in the city. In spring, soft pink cherry blossoms line the riverbanks, and during summer months, locals and visitors alike fish in its waters. Local children leap from the town's main bridge into its cool river in a revered rite of seasonal transition.